Farmers and agricultural producers reeling from contamination from so-called toxic chemicals known as PFAS continue to face an uncertain future. The source of the pollution comes from leftover sewer sludge used as fertilizer for decades. But an out-of-work organic farmer found a new way to plow forward as an advocate to keep farmers afloat and protect the environment. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has more from Unity.
Adam Nordell is busy mowing his fields of heritage grain. But for the first time in 8 years, these wheat kernels won't be harvested, but he still has to maintain his fields. Across the street, greenhouses once filled with organic vegetables are empty. The farm is another casualty of a toxic nightmare unfolding across Maine.
I struggle to find the right metaphor for the wave of stress that this unleashed on my family.
Adam and his wife Johanna own Songbird Farm. They pull their organic grain and vegetables from shelves over concerns about contamination from toxic industrial chemicals known as PFAS.
It's not safe for us, and we're not willing to sell contaminated food.
Now, after discovering this field right across the street from the farm that the couple leased to grow grain had been spread with PFAS-laced sludge in the 90s, the couple decided to test their soil, produce, and water. Their well water was more than 400 times the state's safe limit for PFAS, and later they discovered they also had high levels of the chemicals in their blood. The couple, who have a toddler, later found out their 40-acre farm, including the land underneath their home, had also been spread with biosolids.
Safety threshold.
Earlier this year, the couple and other producers joined Defend Our Health and helped pass a flurry of PFAS-related bills in the legislature, from banning the use of industrial and municipal sludge as fertilizer to $60 million in funding for research, income replacement, and medical monitoring for impacted farmers.
There was not a future for us farming this land.
Adam is now on a new path. As the environmental nonprofit's campaign manager for contaminated farmland, he works to ensure laws on supporting impacted farmers and protecting farmland and natural resources are moving forward.
The state is getting the programs in place to support people economically, help them figure out how to pivot if they can pivot.
In Unity, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
Now, the administration of that $60 million PFAS fund is still being set up. Meanwhile, the Bureau of Agriculture, Food and Rural Resources is sending out one-time income replacement checks to impacted farmers. For more information on PFAS testing and other resources, head to our website or News Center Maine app.